Now let us focus on classical production function. We know that classical production function have three stages or three zones, or it have three regions. So first let us focus on stage 1. Stage 1 starts from the origin and it ends at the point where marginal physical product curve meets average physical product. So stage 1 starts from the origin O and it ends where average physical product curve and marginal physical product curve intersects each other. So this is the range of stage 1. In stage 1, marginal physical product curve is greater than, or marginal physical product is greater than average physical product. See, marginal physical product curve lies above average physical product curve. So, in stage 1, MPP is greater than APP and as a result, APP is increasing. So, APP is increasing and marginal product curve is above average product curve. See, MPP is maximum at point of inflection. See, at the point where MPP is maximum and the corresponding point in the TPP curve is inflection point. Till inflection point, total physical product increases at increasing rate, and after the inflection point, total physical product increases at a decreasing rate. So when MPP is maximum, the corresponding point in the TPP curve is inflection point, and up to the inflection point, the total physical product is increasing at an increasing rate, and after the inflection point, total physical product curve is increasing at a decreasing rate. So in stage 1, we can say that APP is increasing and TPP is also increasing. So in this stage 1, elasticity of production is greater than 1. See, we have found already explained equation of elasticity of production. Elasticity of production is equal to marginal physical product by average physical product. See here, marginal throughout stage 1, marginal physical product is greater than average physical product. So elasticity of production is greater than 1 throughout stage 1. And this stage 1 is considered as irrational stage because technical efficiency of fixed resources is increasing here. And stopping the production at stage 1 is considered as irrational. So stage 1 is irrational production stage. Second stage. Now let us move on to second stage. Second stage starts from the point of equality of marginal physical product and average physical product. So APP equal to MPP. From that particular point, stage 2 starts and ends at the point where MPP is equal to 0. So when MPP is equal to 0, at that particular point, total physical product is maximum. So second stage starts from the equality of MPP and APP and ends where MPP equal to 0 or TPP is at its maximum. In this stage, technical efficiency of variable resources declines, but technical efficiency of fixed resources increases as indicated by an increase in TPP. So in the first stage, technical efficiency of fixed resources is increasing, as well as technical efficiency of variable resources was also increasing. But in the second stage, technical efficiency of variable resources declines, but technical efficiency of fixed resources increases. This stage is considered as rational stage of production because MPP is reaching towards 0 And at this particular point, production is efficient. Efficiency is also achieved in stage 2. So stage 2 is rational stage of production. Now let us focus on stage 3. The starting point of stage 3 is the end of stage 2. We know that stage 3 starts from MPP equal to 0 point. From that particular point, stage 3 starts. At the end point of stage 2, stage 3 starts. And in stage 3, MPP becomes negative and APP continues to fall. And when we look at TPP, it also falls. So this stage is also considered as irrational stage of production, because here technical efficiency of variable resources as well as fixed resources declines. So stage 3 is also considered as irrational stage of production. In this particular stage, elasticity of production is less than 0 because MPP is negative. We know that elasticity of production is equal to MPP by APP. So here MPP is negative, so elasticity of production will be less than 0. And this stage is considered as irrational stage of production because technical efficiency of both variable resources as well as fixed resources declines. In stage 2, elasticity of production is less than 1 because elasticity of production is MPP by APP. Here MPP is less than APP, so it is less than 1. And stage 2 is considered as rational stage of production. Even though technical efficiency of variable resources declines, the technical efficiency of fixed resources is increasing in this stage. So production in stage 2 is considered as efficient or rational. So these are the 3 stages or 3 zones in classical production function, and these 3 stages represents 3 types of return. First stage represents increasing return, second stage represents a decreasing return, and third stage represents a negative return. So we have discussed about the classical production function. Now let us discuss the relationship between TPP, MPP and APP. First, let us consider the relationship between TPP and MPP. So, as long as MPP is increasing, TPP is increasing at an increasing rate. See, as long as MPP is increasing, TPP is increasing at an increasing rate. When MPP decreases, TPP is increasing at decreasing rate. And when MPP is 0, TPP is at its maximum, and when MPP is negative, TPP is declining. So these are the relationship between MPP and TPP. Now let us move on to relationship between APP and MPP. When MPP is above APP, APP is increasing. When MPP is above APP, APP is increasing. When MPP and APP are equal, APP is at its maximum. And when MPP is below APP, APP declines. So this is the relationship between MPP and APP.